Okay, so we're going to go over the exact structures and anatomy of the brain and some simple functions as well that come along with that. And make sure you watch until the end to make sure you get in all the structures, all the functions, and understand the brain really, really well, because it is tricky. So let's go ahead and start with this little image here. So we can actually divide the brain up like I am here with the red pen. So we've split the front off here, and we can call this the frontal lobe, which is responsible for executive functions, planning, decision-making, voluntary movement, that kind of thing. That's going to be what's happening from the frontal lobe. Then we can further go ahead and divide the brain up here. And so here we've got the parietal lobe. And now the parietal lobe is to do with sensory information like touch, temperature, spatial awareness, that kind of thing. And the occipital lobe here on the back is going to be for visual information, so things we can see. And the temporal lobe is going to be for hearing, memory, and also the languages that we speak. Some more structures here is the medulla oblongata, cerebellum, and the pons. And now we're going to actually change to a blue pen and show you some more divisions here. So what I've drawn in here is going to be called the lateral sulcus. And we can also split the brain up here as well, and we can call this the central sulcus as well. And you'll see in a minute that we can actually then divide it further on the left and the right, or if you like, the anterior and posterior parts of that central sulcus. So here again on this image, we have the central sulcus and the lateral sulcus. And we're going to say anteriorly, so on the front part or the left, if you're looking at this image, is going to be the precentral gyrus or gyrus. And the posterior part or the back is going to be the postcentral gyrus. And think of it as like post means afterwards, so I think it's behind, and pre means before, so it's going to be in front of that central sulcus. And again on this image you can see the cerebellum is that sort of tree-shaped or tree-looking structure, very easy to spot. And we also have the pons and medulla oblongata as well. So these are basically the main structures here, and hopefully that's made it really, really easy to split those specific parts in. And I will also make a video on the nerves if you would like that. Thank you.